Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Rolls Royce Phantom using an easy method. Let's begin by sketching the basic rectangular body shape. This forms the foundation of your car. Next, add the hood and trunk sections, keeping them proportional to the main body. Finally, place 4 simple circles for the wheels. Don't worry about perfection yet. These are just your initial guidelines. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into the iconic Phantom silhouette. Gently connect your initial rectangles with smooth, flowing lines, giving the car its distinctive profile. Next, define the window areas, paying attention to the elegant curve of the roof. Finally, add some detail to your wheels, sketching in the rims and giving the tires a bit of depth. You're doing great. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying learning how to draw this amazing car, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just like a Rolls Royce is built to last, so are darn tough socks. They come with a lifetime warranty, keeping your feet comfy while you create. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to add those unmistakable Rolls Royce details that make the Phantom so special. Start with the large, imposing grille at the front, carefully adding its signature vertical slats. Then, delicately sketch the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, a tiny but crucial element. Finish by drawing the headlights and taillights, making sure they reflect the car's sophisticated and luxurious design. Almost there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.